Hello, it's Dr. Ryan again from Calzaretto Chiropractic Center. Today we have Marie here. She is 26 weeks pregnant, and we're just going to demonstrate how we adjust the pregnant. Okay. It's really not that much different. Of course, we're not going to lie her on her stomach or her belly. So what we're going to do is we're going to adjust her on her side. On her side, face me, please. And we have different adjustment of these. This is called diversified. And we're careful with the belly. Just a little gentle thrust in there to get the pelvis moving. And we're going to work our hips too later. And I'll do on the other side. Now we also do a technique called Webster technique, which is for turning the baby. I'm not going to do on Maria at this point, of course. That's if the baby would be breech. On your back. We'll also get her neck. Slide down towards your feet, and then for her mid-back, her dorsals, we do something called anteriors. And breath in, with your rear end up, blow out. Good. And it's like a bear hug. Blow the air out, keep the rear end down. And then we're also going to work our hips a little bit. There we go. Nice release on that already. A little drop 1 and 2, just make sure it's all up. And then after she is having her adjustment, okay, she's also going to have a prenatal massage, which we also do in the office. There we go. Like crazy. Come on up. Thank you. You're welcome. And that is how we adjust pregnant women in the office.